What's up? Good morning and Merry Christmas, everyone. What a joyous, exciting day. I hope everybody gets everything they want and more. And we have the absolute blessing of being in crypto right now, right as things are about to get exciting. And I think there's one last test we have to get through before things really break open in a big way. And I want to talk about that in this video with you guys. So if you're new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this has been a very good start to this Christmas rally so far. Now you might look at this and say, oh, we have a big red day. And I'll get to that in just a moment. But ADA was actually able to set a slightly higher high on its daily candle. We actually surged above 95 cents. It was very exciting to watch this take place. Almost right after I launched my first video yesterday is when the pump started happening, and it was very exciting to see that. And obviously BTC moving to the upside was a very big part of that. BTC had almost a 4% day. Obviously ADA had a very nice day as well, up 1% after being all the way down at about 89 cents. I did actually get some longs open yesterday, which I'll show you guys that in just a moment. I got some money over to BTCC, but there's one last test that we're trying to get through in both the BTC chart as well as the total 2 chart. So when we look at BTC, after our drop and our breach of our 20-day moving average, there's a quest that BTC wants to get back to, and that is breaching this 20-day moving average and sustaining it. And you guys can see that we obviously did not like that 50-day. We did our double tap on there, and then it was recovery after that. We got into some short liquidations, very exciting sign. And right now BTC is fighting this 20-day moving average. And I think one of the last things that has to happen for the market to really open up and get excited once again and lead us to these rallies across the space where these green days turn into these red days turn into green, is we have to breach this and sustain this. Frankly, I think a move over 100K would be a very strong sign for BTC for this week, especially if we close our weekly candle above 100K, right? Last time, obviously this weekly candle sucked, or last week, down 8.9%. So a push back above 100K, which would be a very strong sign for the crypto market in general. Now, there's one other test that is happening at the exact same time, and this is with the total 2. And this is going to look very familiar to what's happening, or very similar to what's happening with the BTC chart. And in fact, we are playing out into a big bull flag, big descending channel. You guys can hopefully see that on here. I'm gonna just draw that out quick. Right, here's our descending channel that is playing out currently. And right within structure, we're actually pushing back to try to test the top side of this. But at the same time, we are testing not just the top side of this trend, we're actually testing our 20-day moving average. And frankly, this may be where you get one of these, where you either get like a blowout like that, or you might pop out, get a little retest, and then send. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, but understand that even though this is a red day and a wick down, at least at the time of filming this video, that's not an uncommon thing, especially in the start of the Christmas rally. I had a couple people asking me about this on Twitter. And again, there was some of that keeps asking about Twitter. I have a Twitter. It's at Luckside. All right. It's just, feel free to check it out. I post on there fairly often. And what we'll see here is that even as we were making moves to the upside, we had extreme wicks in both directions. There will be shakeouts while we're making a rally to the upside. For example, you guys can see just one of these days in here was a 22% move in the overall market cap of crypto, which seems kind of wild. But, you know, right now we're kind of right here, right? We had our drop. 24th was a recovery. Right here, you see another green day in terms of the 25th. And in fact, when we look at the cycle prior to that, that's probably even what most closely resembles what we're seeing right now. You know, there are some red days, there's some green days, but slowly and surely moving our way to the upside before obviously the doors blow wide open. We start making up some real ground here. Okay. And again, this is the move that is going to lead us towards running from the total market cap of alts, about 1.42 trillion currently, up towards probably 4 or 5 trillion by March or so. I think I talked about that in an ADA video. That would make a whole lot of sense. So just understand that we're going to still deal with chop as we work our way to the upside. ADA is going to have a very important test coming here sometime soon too. This 20-day keeps moving down. It may, excuse me, it may take until the end of this week for ADA to really try to make an extension here. But at the same time, wouldn't be surprised if it tries to cut it short and do it a little bit early. Once the market starts moving, it's all going to move in conjunction with each other, and then we can really start seeing alts pick up some ground and make some big extensions. So That's what we need to be watching for. That's the big test we're fighting against right now. Yesterday wasn't a good day in terms of institutional money on the spot Bitcoin side. It was on the spot Ethereum side. So hopefully that trend changes as we get out of the holiday and get back to hopefully some heavy buying and frankly a lot higher volume. Again, down to $136 billion in daily trading volume. Not surprising. It's yesterday was Christmas Eve day. Today is Christmas Day in general. So it's a quiet week nonetheless, but the trends can be very good, right? And that being said, I did actually, again, like I mentioned, get some money over to BTCC. I actually opened up these longs yesterday. I opened up an ADA long. I opened up a SHIB long. The ADA one is currently up 10.62%. The SHIB one's up 25%. You guys can see I opened these right at about like 5 something yesterday morning, right before things started to get exciting. Again, if you guys do want to check out BTCC, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. You can actually earn a 10% deposit on your first time deposit above $500. They've been around for 13 years. I've been using them now for, I think, about a month. And I've been very happy with how fast it is, how fast deposits and withdrawals work. I mean, it's a very easy platform to use. Still have my Margex longs open, of course, too. So, excuse me. Sorry. But yeah, I'm very excited about what today can bring. Remember, the most important thing today is family, friends. It's about Christmas. It's not about crypto. It should be on the back of your mind today. You know, I'm going to probably make less videos and they're going to be a little bit shorter, the ones I do get out, because there are much more important things than what we're looking at right now. And this will be here tomorrow. Okay. So have a great day. Show your love below. Merry Christmas. Appreciate you guys as always. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.